Hello friends, welcome to our channel Nutshell Learning School. Today we are going to talk about how to make money with blogging. You want to make money, right? Everyone wants and need to make money. So you started a blog since you have heard it's an easy way to make cash. But you are not quite sure how to actually make money doing it. Or maybe you already have a blog and you are exploring ways to monetize it. No matter which group you are in, making money with a blog, whether it's a hobby blog or a business blog, it is possible. It's not a get-rich-quick ordeal, but if you do it right, you could make enough to support your family and more. Let's dive in and see how you can make a profit with your blog. Monetize with CPC or CPM ads. One of the most common ways bloggers make money is through placing ads on their site. There are two popular types of ads: CPC or PPC ads. Cost per click, also called pay per click. Ads are usually banners that you place in your content or sidebar. Each time a reader clicks on the ad, you are paid for that click. CPM ads. CPM ads, or cost per 1,000 impressions, are ads that pay you fixed amount of money based on how many people view your ad. Perhaps the most popular network for placing these two types of ads is Google AdSense. With this program, you do not need to be in direct contact with advertisers. You simply place the banner on your site, Google chooses ad relevant to your content, and your viewers click on the ad. There are countless similar programs available if you find that AdSense doesn't work for you, such as Chitika, Infolink, and Media.net. Sell private ads. Working with advertising network isn't your only option when it comes to selling ads. If you end up with enough traffic, advertisers may come directly to you and ask you to place their ads on your site. You can also contact advertisers yourself. The biggest difference from the above mentioned option is that there is no middleman, which means you can set your own ad rates. Selling private ads can come in form of banners, buttons, or links. You can even make money writing sponsored posts where you write about or give a review of an advertiser's product or service. Another option is to write an underwritten post or series, which is where you can write about any topic, but the advertisers pay you for brought to you by mentioned in the content. The way you make money with this can vary. For instance, you might charge a one-time fee for a link within a post. If you are hosting banner ads, you might change your partners monthly. Bonus tip: to maximize your income, you can also choose to sell sponsorship space in your email newsletter, podcasts, and videos. Include affiliate links in your content. Affiliate market is also another great tool for monetizing your blog. Here is how affiliate marketing works. An advertiser has a product she wants to sell. She agrees to give you a commission from each sale if the buyer is coming from your site. She gives you a unique link that tracks from your affiliate code. That way she knows when a buyer used your link to make a purchase. You include your affiliate link on your site. You can do this directly in the content or through banner ads. If a reader clicks on your unique link and buy the product you have recommended, you can earn a percentage of what she purchased. You can utilize affiliate marketing through ad networks like Amazon Associates, or you can create private partnership with advertisers and businesses with an affiliate program. Sell digital products. If you would rather not advertise other people's product on your site, or if you are looking for another stream of income, consider selling digital products. This can include items like ebooks, online courses, workshops, images, videos, or music which people can use in their own content, apps, plugins, or themes. Just remember that if you are going to choose one of these avenues, that you make it relevant and useful to your readers. A lot of bloggers make the mistake of assuming they are developing a product the reader needs. Listen to your reader first and then create a digital product that will meet their needs. Use it as a content marketing tool for your business. It is also possible to sell physical products on your blog and to make money that way. Instead of thinking of it as making money from your blog, however, think of your blog as a content marketing tool that will drive visitors to your business website. The possibilities are practically endless when it comes to developing a business blog. You could sell handmade products, books, manufactured products, and so much more. Or you might already have a business and decide to start a blog to convert loyal customers. Let's say, for example, that you refurbished and resell used smartphone out of your house. You could use a blog to attract visitors to your website where you list your current phone for sale. Your blog might cover topics about DIY refurbishing. On one level, it seems counterintuitive because you want people to buy your phones, but it also helps you build a brand and gain recognition. Create quality content. You are not going to make any money from your blog if people do not read it. After all, your readers are the ones who are going to make you money. Whether they are clicking on your ads or buying your products, always put your readers first. Making money blogging can take a lot of persistence, but it can pay off in the long run if you are starting out from scratch. Just remember that you don't have to use all of these money-making avenues at once. Consider what other people in your industry are doing and start from there. Over time, you will learn what works for you and what doesn't. If you are looking to make money from your blog, which option will you start with? Well, let us know in the comment section. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thank you.